In today's video, I am going to teach you how to activate email flows in Klaviyo. Email flows are automated message sequences that send based on specific actions, like someone signing up to your list or placing an order. Activating a flow correctly is important because it determines whether your messages stay in draft mode or actually start sending to real people. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu, click Flows. This is where you can view, edit, and manage all of your automated sequences in one place. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Flow. This opens the Flow library, where Klaviyo provides pre-built templates for common automation scenarios. Using a template is a fast way to get started, especially if you are setting up something standard. From the Flow library, click a template that fits your goal. For example, you might choose Welcome Series if you want to greet new subscribers and introduce your brand. Once you select the template, you will see a setup modal where you need to select a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the flow, such as joining a list or segment. Take a moment here to choose the trigger that matches your intended audience, because the flow will only run when that trigger happens. After you select your trigger, click Use Template in the setup modal. This will take you into the Flow Builder, where you can see the full automation laid out on the canvas. Before turning anything on, it is a good idea to quickly scan the sequence so you understand what will send and in what order. This is also where you would normally confirm that each email is ready, since activating a flow means it can begin sending immediately when someone qualifies. When you are ready to activate it, go to the top right of the canvas and click Review and Turn On. A status control will appear with a drop-down. Select Live. Live is the setting that allows the flow to actively send to eligible recipients. Finally, click Update Status again to confirm and save. This last confirmation locks in the change, and your flow is now active. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.